Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin yung reflected XSS into attribute with angle brackets HTML encoding. So this lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search blog functionality where angle brackets are HTML encoding. To solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that injects an attribute and calls the alert function. Okay? So load natin yung lab. So, testingin natin to, yung search functionality natin, lagyan natin ulit ng 1, 2, 3, 4, and lagyan natin ng angle brackets. Tignan natin kung na HTML encode ba talaga. So, pinunta natin yung search. And view source natin. So, makikita natin dito na nasa loob ng input na tags yung ating value and yung less than and greater than symbol ay na HTML encode nga talaga. So, hindi natin pwede gamitin yung less than and greater than symbols or angle brackets natin to simply do double quotes and then close, then mag-script alert. No? Kasi yun nga, na-encode yung ating less than and greater than symbol. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is gumamit ng event handler. So, yung event handler, ang gagawin natin is i-close natin muna yung value 1, 2, 3, 4, then close, and then lagyan natin event handler. So for example, on mouse over equals, then kailangan natin lagyan ng pang balance na double quote, no? So kailangan double quote alert, no? So try natin to pindutin. And try natin to i-submit dito. So ayan, na-solve na yung lab, pero pakita natin. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on mouse over alert. So search. So dapat kapag mouse over or hinover natin yung mouse natin dito sa search bar na to, ay magti-trigger yung XSS. So ayan. So nag-trigger yung alert natin whenever na yung mouse natin tumatama dito sa search bar. Okay? So, pag tinignan natin, makikita natin dito, ayan, na-successfully close natin yung value 1, 2, 3, 4. And, nagkaroon tayo ng on mouse over alert na nasa loob ng double quotes. Kaya kinailangan natin tong double quote na to. Okay? So, I hope na gets nyo tong video to and see you in the next video.